So Pip, this real quick, yeah. Um, I just want to show you my weekly analysis from scratch. Like, I just want to take you through my pairs and show you how I select my pairs, get me, for this week we are in right now. So, yep. So let's start with USD no need to talk much. Let's just dive in, you get me. Head and shoulder, inverse. So we've already seen something on a USD now. So this is what we want to happen here. You see, inverse head and shoulder. So we're breaking the neckline, breaking this neckline. Get me? Coming back to retest the neckline before we go up again. So now we've seen this particular trade now for USD for next week. This is like a A plus setup for me. Yeah, this is a A plus setup for me because you can clearly see the inverse head and shoulder here on a strong support. But one thing before I take this trade, I'll need to see price to break this this resistance fully. Understand? So I need price to do something, come back here, then break the resistance before I can take this trade. You get me? So I can't just take a trade when the trade comes to this level because we've not broken this last lower high here. So yeah, so we are still at this zone. So let's just see how it plays out for um USD If we go to our H4, basically it's still the same thing. Our H4 we broke that zone, but we need it to be broken in our on our daily time frame. So higher, low, higher, high. So now we're creating a new higher low. So we come here to sweep this liquidity at the zone maybe before we start going higher again. So I need this trade to balance well and break this zone again before I say, okay, I'm taking this buy. So yeah, that's for USD Let's go to another pair. So I mark it red. Any pair I'm taking, I mark red. So let's go to NZUSD. Yeah, this was a trade I caught last week. Yeah, I even this is why I opt out of the trade, yeah. And now we are just seeing weeks. This is exhaustion. So we're having exhaustion. So once you're seeing weeks like this in the market, that price is continually rejecting an area, it's called exhaustion area. So there's something in this area. Let's say we go to a higher time frame. You can tell the reason why price is exhausting at this area is because of we are seeing, are you seeing this level? So now there are weeks here. So it's this the past is tallying with the present. So maybe what's happening here is the same thing that will happen here again. So that's why we are tallying. Again, we will see a lot of weak fill here, weak. So yeah, it's still the move um is still building up. So I'm going to delete everything and just start from the starting because yeah, I really love clean shots. You get me? So that I'll see where I'm going, my direction. You understand? So yeah. Clearly, I'm seeing head and shoulders still at this zone, but it's a little bit tricky when it comes to NZUSD. I even explained this before I even took that my sell, head, right shoulder. I still need the price to come back up to give me something. You get me? To this zone. So it's a very, very good swing. This is like for higher time frame, like my weekly. So I'm seeing that. So we find our support and resistance line and we find our key zones. Yes, I see one here at this zone. You can see support, support, support. You get me? So it's a really, really strong support zone. You can see this candlestick came back up to test it again at this point. So yeah, that's a really, really strong support and resistance zone. And what do we have again? Let's see. Hmm. I don't like going so further away to the past because this is weekly. So if I go further away, you can see it's 2020 24. So we need something around this area. So all this thing doesn't bother me. That's why I go to my daily to like um subsidize this information. So now we are having a very clear trend, very, very clear trend. Lower low, lower high, lower low. So we did not break this fully because we needed another candlestick to close. So it's like a fake breakout. So lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So now we want to create another lower high, and it's still tallying with this uh um NZUSD here, and these are supply zone here. You get me? So it's still tallying at this zone. So we still need to come back up to grab liquidity before we go back down again. So that's what I'm waiting for NZUSD. You get me? So let's say this is the trend line. We broke the trend line and we are retesting at the zone. So it's just how you see the market. You get me? Just and if we use our fib point A to point B, you can see 100% zone. We did not break fully. You can see we still need to come back down there because my Fibonacci TP area is a really, 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 it's is a key zone for me because I really need price to get to this area before I even start reversing to giving me a new leg. So if I go from here to this zone, so we need something. You get me? We need something. That's why I say we might come back down again. Might even see another bearish candle before we go back up. So let's just watch how this plays out. But what I need is for price to give me that push. You get me? So right now I can't just start drawing my Fibonacci because we've not found a place where we halt. You get me? So this just still premature. So we wait for this price to marinate and stuff. Might take 2 days, 3 days, but still it's a plus setup for me. If it plays the way I want it. If it doesn't, I just leave it. So we have I won't say this is a A plus setup. I want it to give me what I want before I can say anything, but I'm classifying it as a B and A. It's in the middle, you get me? It's in the middle, but still, I just like the setup, you get me? This trade gave me money last week, and yeah, I love it at the USD. Let's just keep going. AUD USD, AUD USD, AUD USD. Okay. See, sometimes then, very looking at the chart, you just say, nah, I'll pass. Nah, I don't like it. I don't like how the structure is showing. Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD, exhaustion, week, daily, sorry, daily. mm, mm, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I can still trade, but if I start like analyzing it, it will give me a B plus setup, or I don't like B plus setup. So I like to see something like this is what I'm looking for, this is what I want. I have a lot of pairs, so I'm not going to stress myself with trying to force a setup and call it a B plus setup. So I just pick those A plus setup. So once I pick these A plus setups, if I have like five A plus setup, imagine I just have five A plus setup for this week and I just take only two trades and I win. I'm not trading for the week again. So that's how you minimize your risks and you learn how to use your Akanushi. So GBP lovely, lovely. I've already analyzed this trade before, so let's see from this zone. Okay, weekly is looking good. Weekly is looking good. So what can we take from the weekly time frame? I will take this zone. Oh, this zone. This one is a strong zone. I can see. That's why the price has been halting here. So you get me? So this one is a strong zone. It's a strong support zone. So that's why the price has been there. So I take that from my weekly. You can see market is still, this is the same zone market is testing from. From weekly, you can tell that we broke structure. Higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high. We broke structure at this level, come back up. So yeah, let's go to our daily. Let's see. See, trading is subjective. You get me? You can read it the best way you can that you know, as long as it's making you money. So you don't like as long as you're making money in the market, that's everything. Except you're not, then that's another ball game. So yeah, I love GBP I love this trade because this is a really, really strong resistance area. Yeah, that's where we're retesting. So yeah, we are in a downtrend. Lower low, lower high, lower low. So now we want to create a new high, lower high. So if you take your Fibonacci, because now we've gotten the zone where we want price to retrace from. So now price is retracing, but I'm sure we are not going to fall from here. But if we fall from here and a I see a very, very um let's say a good setup, a good candlestick formation, a good chart pattern, I will go for this trade. I will take this trade because this right here is a really, really strong support area and a resistance area. You get me? So we are testing it as resistance, understand? So if we test it as resistance, we don't go up to give us or to give us a 61.8% zone. I'm going to take it if even if we don't go, you get me, because there is a strong resistance area. So yeah, so this is what I'm waiting for GBP USD. So now we have three. You get me? I need something like this. I need something like this. It's let's say let's see from here to here, like 6 days. No, I don't need bars. I need price range. I got a price range. Yeah, that's like 195 pips. Then from here to here, 130. I just need like 50 pips from this. Don't worry. GBP I got you. I got you, bro. Cable. Got you, cable. Okay, then let's see USD card. So I've gotten three set up and I'm good. Like I'm happy that I've even seen like DZ plus setup. I really don't like this guy. No, I don't like this guy. Oh, I do. Come back down. No, I don't want to stress myself. GBPCHF. Nope. I don't like it. Nope. GBP, my love, my first love. Oh, GBP, have not seen you in a while. I've not seen you in a while, GJ. What's good? You're looking kind of messy and I cannot trade you. I'm sorry. I already got your sister, GBP. She's getting the D. ABCD. Ah. So nope, I'm not trading that. I'm not trading to you, GJ. Nope. Gold, gold. Hmm. Gold, it's not with me and you today. I know get your time, safe. Just wait. You see gold, gold will make you plenty money, oh. See, take plenty money for your hand. uh, one time I was trading gold. I said, oh, I don't like I thought I was the master of gold. But I made money with gold, but that money I make, go take like 70% in one day. And that day I was so emotional. So from that day I just say make gold rest first until I'm fully gallant. Get me? Like 70% of my profit I made from gold in like a month plus. One day nine good calculate 70%. I just say okay, oh, okay, okay. Oh. From looking at this, you just know say I will not even trade this Euro JPY. Nah. AUD JPY, no. Right now I'm just freestyling. Euro AUD. Nope. No, there are some kind of pairs when you just see them be like, whoa, whoa, imagine this pair now. Like clear structure. Imagine this pair, like clear structure. Like imagine this pair, clear structure. Like give me clear structure. You get me? Let me start from card GPY. Let me see what's happening. Mm. So I don't want to like I can still go deep in these pairs and start analyzing, but I don't want to do it. I'm okay with these three pairs for next week. Get me? No need to be everywhere in the market. So these three pairs, these are what I'll be looking at for USD CHF, NZD USD, GBP USD. So that is it. Chat. All right. So let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Hope you have a profitable week this week, like 7 days, a week.